help, but you stand there silent because you don't know how to ask without sounding rude or stupid. This lesson is for beginner English learners who feel embarrassed asking for basic things. By the end, you'll confidently ask for help in any situation using polite, natural English. Miss even one phrase today, and you'll keep avoiding conversations that could actually help you. So, Brian, when was the last time you needed help with something?
Yesterday, actually. I couldn't open a jar.
Perfect example. So what did you say?
I just said, "Can you help me?"
That works. Can you help me is simple and clear, but let's learn more ways.
There's more than one way?
Yeah, lots. Different situations need different phrases.
Okay, like what?
Well, could you help me sounds a bit more polite.
Could instead of can?
Right. Could is softer. Could you help me with this?
So both work?
Absolutely. Can is direct. Could is gentler.
What if I need someone's time?
Good question. You say, do you have a minute?
Do you have a minute? That's it?
Yeah, super common. Do you have a minute? I need help with something.
That sounds natural.
Here's another one. Excuse me, could you help me?
Starting with excuse me?
Exactly, especially with strangers. Excuse me gets their attention first.
That makes sense. What if I'm asking a specific person?
You can say their name. Hey Sarah, can you help me real quick?
Real quick?
Means it won't take long. Very casual, very common.
I like that. What about formal situations?
Then you say, would you mind helping me?
Would you mind? That sounds fancy.
It's more polite. Would you mind holding this? Would you mind showing me?
When do I use that?
At work, with bosses, older people, situations where you want extra respect.
Got it. What if I don't know how to do something?
Perfect. You say, I don't know how to do this.
Just admit it?
Yeah, I don't know how to use this machine. Can you show me?
Show me, not tell me?
Show is better for actions. Tell is for information.
So show me how, tell me where?
Exactly. Show me how to open this. Tell me where the bathroom is.
That's helpful. Let's practice. Say, excuse me, I don't know how to use this. Could you show me?
Excuse me, I don't know how to use this. Could you show me? Excellent. Say it again.
Excuse me, I don't know how to use this. Could you show me?
Perfect. Now, what if you're confused about something?
I just say, I'm confused?
You can, but more natural is, I'm not sure how to.
I'm not sure how to?
Yeah, I'm not sure how to get there. I'm not sure how to fix this.
Sounds less embarrassing than saying I'm confused.
Exactly. It's softer. Here's another one. I'm having trouble with.
Having trouble with?
Yeah, I'm having trouble with my computer. I'm having trouble with this question.
So it shows you tried.
Right. You're not just asking without trying. You attempted it.
What about asking someone to repeat something?
Say, sorry, could you repeat that?
Could you repeat that? Not say again?
You can say both. Could you say that again also works.
Which is more polite?
Both are fine. Repeat sounds slightly more formal.
Okay, what if I didn't hear?
Say, sorry, I didn't catch that.
Didn't catch? That's interesting.
Very common. I didn't catch your name. I didn't catch what you said.
Catch means hear?
In this context, yes, it means you didn't get the information.
Cool. What if something's too fast?
You say, could you slow down?
Just slow down?
Yeah, or could you speak more slowly, please?
Adding please makes it politer?
Always. Please is your best friend.
What about written instructions?
You can say, could you write that down for me?
Write that down?
Yeah, means put it on paper. Could you write down the address?
That's useful for directions.
Exactly. Now, here's something important. If someone's busy, you say, is this a good time?
Checking if they're available.
Right. Is this a good time, or are you busy right now?
That's considerate.
Very. And if they are busy, they'll tell you.
What if I need urgent help?
Say, sorry to bother you, but I really need help.
Sorry to bother you?
Yeah, shows you know they're busy, but it's important.
What about asking for directions?
Common one. Excuse me, how do I get to...
How do I get to?
Yeah, how do I get to the subway? How do I get to Main Street?
What if I'm lost?
Say, I'm lost. Can you help me find...
Just admit I'm lost?
people are usually happy to help. I'm lost. Can you help me find the museum?
That's direct.
Sometimes direct is best. Here's another. Which way to?
Which way to? That's short.
Super casual. Which way to the exit? Which way to the bathroom?
For quick questions?
Exactly. Now let's practice directions. Say, excuse me, I'm looking for the train station. How do I get there?
Excuse me, I'm looking for the train station. How do I get there?
Excellent. Say it again.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the train station. How do I get there?
Great. Now, what if someone helps you and you want to thank them?
I say thank you?
Of course, but you can say, thank you so much. That's really helpful.
Really helpful?
Yeah, shows appreciation. You can also say, I appreciate it.
I appreciate it. That sounds mature.
It does. Or, thanks, you're a lifesaver.
Lifesaver? That's dramatic.
It's an expression, means they really saved you from trouble.
So it's casual.
Yeah, friendly and warm.
What if I still don't understand after they help?
Say, sorry, I'm still confused. Could you explain again?
It's okay to ask twice?
Absolutely. Better to understand than stay confused.
That's reassuring.
One more thing. If you want someone to check your work, say, could you look at this?
Look at this?
Yeah, could you look at my essay? Could you look at this email before I send it?
So look at means check?
In this context, yes. Very common at work or school.
Let's practice everything. What should I say?
Okay, imagine you're at work, confused about a task, and you need your coworker's help. What do you say?
Hey, do you have a minute? I'm having trouble with this report. I'm not sure how to format it. Could you show me? I'd really appreciate it.
That was fantastic. Polite, clear, natural. You used multiple phrases perfectly. So here's my question for you. What's something you recently needed help with? Tell us in the comments. And if this made asking for help easier, subscribe for more practical English lessons. Thanks for listening.